Hi, I'm Human Sheikh. I'm one of the lawyers here at Westkin Associates. If you're engaged to someone who's British or someone who's settled in the UK, the UK Fiancé Visa allows you to enter the UK and get married within a 6 months period and then transition to a settlement route. In this video, I'll walk you through the essentials so you know exactly what to expect and how we can help you. The Fiancé Visa is for couples who are engaged and want to build their life together in the UK. Unlike the marriage visit visa, the fiancé visa allows you to marry and then stay in the UK long term. So once you're married, you can switch to the spouse visa from inside the UK without having to leave at any point. To qualify, you'll need to meet several requirements. Firstly, you must be in a genuine and subsisting relationship with a plan to get married within 6 months. Your partner who's based in the UK must be earning at least £29,000 per year, and you can also meet the requirement with savings. You must have suitable accommodation big enough for the two of you to live together. You must meet the English language requirement, and importantly, you must apply from outside the UK. Later on, when you switch to the spouse visa after you've been married, the requirements are broadly the same. This is one of the most important and often most scrutinized aspects of the application. You'll need to show that your relationship is real, ongoing, and committed. To do so, you can provide some of these documents as an example: photos together, call logs and message history, travel and accommodation documents, evidence of financial support and joint finances. We'll also help you prove your intention to marry with things like the things that you've bought, like the ring, or maybe things that you've booked for your wedding, or statements from yourselves and your family members. At Westkin Associates, we're highly experienced in submitting strong relationship applications, even in situations where cultural or religious aspects might limit premarital communication. Our legal team knows exactly how to present your case to not only meet the legal requirement, but also how to best reflect the personal story behind your relationship. The standard processing time for a fiancé visa is around 12 weeks. However, in several countries, priority service can also be obtained, which we can help you with. That should reduce your processing time to within 28 days. The government fees for the visa are shown on your screen now. In relation to our fees, we offer a clear, fixed fee model, meaning the price that we tell you is exactly how much you'll pay. And for many clients, we're happy to offer no win, no fee guarantee, meaning if the application isn't granted, we'll refund all of your money. That's how confident we are. There's no minimum engagement period required. The important thing is to demonstrate that you have a genuine relationship and you have a clear path to get married. We'll help you demonstrate this in the best possible way to the Home Office. No, the fiancé visa doesn't allow you to work. However, once you switch to the spouse visa, you'll gain the full right to work. We'll help you make the switch as quickly and smooth as possible to allow you to work and start earning in the UK. If your visa's been refused, don't worry. We specialise in working with complex cases, refusals, appeals, and second-time applications. We'll assess what's gone wrong and we'll help you rebuild your case in the right way. When you work with Westkin Associates, you'll work directly with an immigration lawyer from day one, never an assistant or admin person. We're ranked by the Legal 500 as one of the best rated immigration firms in the UK. In addition to this, we're dual regulated by both the IAA and SRA, one of the few firms that holds dual regulation. In addition to this, we have over 700 five-star reviews on Google. Westkin is known for providing honest advice, fixed fees, and a strong track record of thousands of successful applications for people all around the world. So, if you're ready to apply or you just want honest guidance on where you stand, contact our team today. We'll be proud to help you and your partner start your future in the UK together. My name is Human Sheikh. Thank you for watching this video.